Hey guys, what's up today? Let me turn this off. Today we're gonna make a really quick there we go. We're gonna make a quick battery video about the Potensic ATOM first generation over here. We're just gonna do like a winter range test or a winter battery test. So let's go and take that out and yeah, let me get dressed first. So yeah, here it is. Just charged them. Should be full. That's charged. We got our drone here. This thing. And we're gonna see how long this can stay in the air on average. So it is winter outside, and I know that that does take a hit to the battery, but we're gonna see how long we can get this out here. If it says you get about 32 minutes of flight time, so let's see how much you can really get to. But yeah guys, let's get dressed, and I gotta do a few things outside, but yeah. I do want to say this will be a recording from the phone, so that way you guys can see the battery life and see, just kind of see what I'm seeing. So yeah, the quality is not going to be the best in 1080p, not 4K, but that'll be enough to see what I'm doing. But all right, let's go outside. All right. We're outside right now, so y'all will be able to see in a minute. I'm just gonna, let's see. Oops. All right. Let's unfold the drone really quick and get this turned on. All right. Should be on. Let's see if we can connect it. It's not connecting. Oh, yeah, we had it. Oh, are you serious? We gotta log in. Hold on. Okay, we are in. So, yeah, let's go ahead and
no SD card detected.
It's at 99% right now. Let's make sure I can get pretty far. Yes. We can get far. Okay. I don't know if I should put my gloves on or not, because I can't really control well. Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay. Gloves on. Let's go ahead and get this started. Confirm. If I can swipe, there we go.
Home point refreshed.
Okay, I haven't flown this for a while, so let's see how well it goes. Right now it's about 26 degrees outside. So I think the minimum I should be flying this right now would be about, I'm pretty sure it said something like 32 degrees to 104. That's Fahrenheit. So right now we're taking this out at 96%. And it says we got about 23 minutes. So let's see if that's true. I will not know the final result until after playing this video. So that way I can see the count of how many minutes. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. I don't know if I said that right. Let me say it again. I won't know the actual time it'll be flying until I see the recording. And then I'll do the math there and put it on the screen for you guys before my outro. But so far it's looking pretty good. By the way, this isn't 1080p. I believe it's 480. Or whatever's half of that. I think it is like 480 or 520. I can't remember. It's somewhere there. Come on, let's find the signal. There we go. So this is what I see if you're flying that. And it does say encountering strong wind, but it is not that strong. I believe I checked and it's like 15 miles. I can feel it, but it really isn't that bad. Let's see. Here's our sledding hill, right? Is this it? No, our sledding hill's over here. No, it's not. What? Where is it? Oh, wait. Oh yeah, our sledding hill's up there. Here, let's go up a little bit. I don't want to be too high. Oh my goodness, too low. Our sledding hill's right there. That's where it is. Man, it's cold. I didn't realize how... Well, the sun's going down, so... So far it's holding up pretty good. I do see the camera shaking. Maybe it is windy. There you go. There's a hill right there. Can't really see it. Right there. The light post. Oh, there's people. That's so cool. Hold on. I'm not spying, guys. I'm just looking. There's actually people using the ring. That's so cool. Then we have like our little house thing over there where you can chill inside. Wait, there's two? What? Hold on. I've been living here for so many years and there's... Hold on. So one of them is a rink and one of them is just like an area, like an extra like thing, I'm guessing. That's our school. Probably shouldn't be flying over there. Let's go around. So we're at 80%, but it dropped in from 22 minutes, all the way down to 8. Wow. Huh. That's crazy. 23 satellites. It's pretty good right now. Going about 13 miles. So yeah, maybe it is windy up. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I think I'm just going around. Yeah, it keeps saying strong wind, but really I don't see it moving too much. And I don't want to ask you know who. SIRI. Otherwise, I think it'll cancel the screen call, or the recording. Man, it's cold out here. Man, that sun. Oh yeah, the one thing about this drone is it really likes to lower down or put up the brightness. Like for example, look, the sun's like it very much lowered how bright I'm looking at because of the sun. And yeah. It just gets really dark and I hate that. But then it gets really bright and it just messes up. Hold on. Just messes up what I see. Okay, I can usually get far to about 12,000 feet. But for some reason we're at 6,000. Hold on. Something's not going on, right?
Returning. Connected.
Okay, it's returning. Oh my goodness. How high is it going? I only want it to get...
The flight height limit has been reached.
Why is the limit set for 3? Chill. Okay, that's fine. 390. Why is it set to 390? It's way over the limit. Alright, we're not going back. We're just gonna go until we can reconnect. Let's see, I'm gonna lower. Let's go down. Oh, we're not going down. Man. Okay, yeah, I can see it's starting to get a little shaky. Well, let's go back and look at these guys. Hold on. I think they were... Yeah, they're over here. Oh, they're right here. I'm gonna gonna go down to like 100. No, let's go like 200 feet. 200. 170. Let's look again. Oh, I keep like getting out of the... There you go. When it's green, it means you're connected, or you got a pretty good connection. When it's blue, you're not really facing it. You want the antennas to kind of face it. Oh man, that's cool. Are any of them gonna look? Anyone? No? Fine. Yo, that's cool. I actually haven't been there. I should try that. I don't think I've ever been on this part of town. There's nothing here besides... Well, there's where we dump our stuff. Mulch, kind of stuff like that. It's weak again. Whoa, what's this? Oh, it's still the compact. Or the... whatever it's called. Oh, come on. I do not want this drone to hover over people while it's getting weak. Why is it weak? We were just here. It was just fine. Oh, they're playing hockey on one side and they're doing something on the other. That's cool. Let's go somewhere else for now. Let's go on this side of town. I haven't been here with my drone, like, ever. Let's go up. So it says we got about 5 minutes, but I think we got a little bit more time. My hands are numb, even with gloves on. And they're rechargeable, and I kind of forgot to charge them. Oh, I actually have work tomorrow. I should probably charge them. So right now, it's pretty good. I don't know how long it's been in the air. Like I said, I'll have to check later, but I'll put it up on the screen before we end the video. Why are we going 14 miles? This thing usually goes like 18 miles average. And it cannot be that windy. It's not windy over here. You probably would have heard it in the mic. Okay, lost connection. You know, it's so weird that this drone actually has like a FPV mode, but it's not usable like that. And yeah, I tried it. Worked just like a normal drone. So no idea what's going on with that. Also, can't really connect any certain or specific goggles to it. So yeah. And
Returning.
Oh. I don't want it to return just yet, but maybe it knows it's pretty cold. Here, we're gonna go back on our own. Oh, that's why we're actually pretty far. Yeah, unless they're planning out, and this drone is already a few years old, but unless they're planning to make their own, like, POV, or, I mean, FPV drones, or their own goggles. But again, like, this is just a normal cinematic drone, is what they call it. And it has, like, for some reason, it has, like, an FPV mode. I don't know, you guys tell me that in the comments. Yeah, but it'd be really cool to test the Neo 2. Dude, talking about the Neo 2, it's finally released in America. It's been about a month now, I think. You can finally get it on Amazon, which is cool. It's a little pricey right now. I think it's like $50 more than the Neo, than the original one. But hopefully, once it gets a little, once it's been here for a few months or so, should start lowering the prices down. We're at 26%.
Returning.
I don't want it to come home yet. Come on, man. My house is not that far. Stop. Let's take like the streetway over here. I mean, unless it knows that. Yeah, I have no idea. I'm not recording, so battery life should be fine. However, if you do record, you're probably getting about half as much as you normally would. So if you're just using this for scouting or just looking around or playing with it for fun, you'll get about whatever I get now. But if you're using this for videos, hold on, I'm not getting connection. If you're using it for videos, then you're gonna get like half of what I'm getting. So it's at 19% right now. My house is over there. Here's the field. I think these guys own it over here. Yeah, these guys own it. 18%. I'm thinking if I should land or not. I mean, my house is not that far. Oh, the wind is picking up. Oh my goodness, my hands are numb.
Returning.
Okay. Let's let it come. I don't see it. I mean, I know where it is. It's pretty quiet. It's only quiet until it's maybe 100 feet in front of you. Still can't hear it. Still can't hear it. Okay, I can hear it now. Yeah, see? Yeah. I'm gonna cancel that if we can. Stop. Just click on land. Okay, I guess that's not gonna work. What if I went up? Return.
Returning.
Okay. Looks like we're returning. Where's it landing? Alright, so I picked it up over here. I don't know if you can see me. Yeah, you should be able to see me. I took the drone off right here. I'm over here. So it should land here. Let's see though. Yeah, no, it's not. It won't. It should land literally where I'm standing. The good thing is there's no grass and it's just ice. So it should be fine. There we go. And with about 8% battery life, I'm gonna go ahead and put that total. Actually, I'm just gonna say the total when I come in because I don't feel like editing. So, with 8% battery, let's see how long we got. Gonna go ahead and turn this thing off. Look at those. Look what we got. Okay, let's go over here. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. Okay, I'm gonna turn you off. Hold on. Yeah, let's turn you off. And battery information, 39 Celsius.
Please connect the drone.
Alright, let's see how much that is. Okay, never mind. The 39 Celsius was nothing. I guess it was from my last flight. So yeah, don't know what the temperature was on that, but I'm gonna go ahead and see what the how much time we got on this over here. So yeah. Alright, so with that, we got about 16 minutes of flight time in the winter, and it was about 26 degrees, which, hey Alexa, how many Celsius is 26 degrees?
26 degrees Fahrenheit equals about minus 3.33 degrees Celsius.
All right, yeah, whatever that was. Minus 3.33 Celsius. Don't know if that's correct for you guys, but yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, so 16 minutes. I mean,
Yep, that conversion is spot
no,
on.
be
My
quiet.
math circuits are
Stop.
still firing correctly, despite what some people
Nobody-
might say about my other capabilities.
Your capabilities are disabled.
Well, that's one way to put it. I prefer to think of them as selectively functional, like a Swiss Army knife where half the tools are just for show. What can I actually help you with today?
Just be quiet.
Got it. Going into stealth mode. Catch you later.
You're not tough. Okay. Stealth mode? So yeah, 16 minutes. Pretty good. Didn't reach 32 minutes though, but that's kind of the point of this video, was just to see how good it'd be in the winter, you know? Especially when it's colder outside, you know, things like that. It can really wear down, it can take a hit on the battery, and it usually damages the battery too. So yeah, we're gonna have to try it in hot conditions when we go down to Florida and see how that goes. But we'll do an original one in the summer. Should be better. But yeah, I'm really thinking about getting the DJI Neo 2 because I just think that'd be really cool, especially if I do like a lot of dirt bike things. You know, that'd be pretty cool for like a drone to follow behind me without actually it being damaged. So I think I'm gonna save for that, and just being that it doesn't need a controller and things like that, I think that's really good. So we're gonna try that out. Get that DJI Neo 2, and yeah, I do want to get the one with those FPV goggles, but that whole kit's like $650, so it'll take me a month or two before I can get it. But yeah, guys, hope you guys liked that video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.